Welcome to the Rusted Guarded Homestead. Today I want to show you how to make seed starting cups. They're really sturdy, they're going to last. However, you want to use these for plants that are going to grow about 6 or 8 weeks indoors. If you get past 8 weeks, these start to deteriorate. Also, when you use them, they're made out of paper, obviously. You want to stack them up in your tray, just like this, fill them up, put the seeds in, and let them be. You don't really want to be moving these around. However, when your transplants are to size, you can plant the whole pot in the ground. This is a cheap and inexpensive way to make seed starting pots. Now this is just a standard sheet of paper. It's going to make exactly what you see here. Don't worry if it doesn't sit right. Once it's wet and filled with soil, it all just settles down nicely, just like that. You can make this out of newspapers. I'm going to do a separate video on that because the folds are a little bit different. But newspaper will create a bigger, cup for you to plant your seed starts in there. So a single sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half. I'm also on TikTok now. If you look up the Rusted Garden, you'll find this video done in 60 seconds. But I find sometimes an explanation does help out. Fold it again and try and be, as straight lined as you can. And then you want to make sure you have the paper opening up top. Crease them well, and you're just taking the edge to the center. And then you fold the flap down. If I can get to it. There we go. Fold the flap down. Crease it nicely. Turn it over. And then you take the edge and you're taking it right to the center, just like that. And then same on the other side. Crease it well. And then you take the flap that's left right here, you fold it down. You can fold this up. You can put creases like this in the bottom to help it open a little bit better. I'll show you what I mean. And then unfold it. And then when you open it, you get a nice square like this. And usually, there we go, you'll see a side of the triangle pop in, and you just push that down, and that makes your square. Press it in, and you can make as many of these as you want. And I would line up your seed starting flat. You could use a foil tray like this and just line them across. They take about 4, and then you just leave them in place. Leave one space open. You put the water in there. It'll absorb the water from the bottoms and sides, and you've made yourself inexpensive seed starting cups. Please check me out on TikTok. You'll find all kinds of gardening tips done in 1 minute or less. And also please check out my seed and garden shop at therustedgarden.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. I'll be showing you how you can make these out of newspaper. And if you want these to be extra strong, use 2 sheets of paper. The folds are a little bit more difficult, so to speak, but it all works out, and it'll be a little bit more sturdy if you're concerned about using paper. Thanks for watching.